Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your You and Yours reading. Now, You and Yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. It could be anyone, it doesn't have to be a love interest, but of course that could show through as well. But this is designed for anyone else. Also, could be a boss, could be a neighbor, a mother, father, child, sister, brother, anyone, whoever's who you need some advice regarding. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send us the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So let's begin, Gemini. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, right? So take what works for you and leave the rest. And all my subscribers, thank you. All, you're kind, loving, all your comments are keeping this channel going. And if you're new here, welcome to the Omkara family. We welcome you in. And a lot of people have asked me what Omkara means. So Omkara is Lord Ganesha, who is an Indian deity. It's Lord Ganesha's name. It's just one of the names Lord Ganesha is called by. And Lord Ganesha is the god of abundance, happiness, peace and love. Okay, so that is what Omkara is. I missed a card here. Okay. Devil in reverse, letting go of something which was toxic, Gemini. Emperor in reverse, Hierophant. Ten of Wands, 8 of Swords, King of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Somebody is letting go of some control, or they're feeling out of control. They're feeling things are not going their way anymore. And Wheel of Fortune in reverse. They feel they've kind of lost control of something or somebody. They also feel that somebody is maybe letting go of them. Someone they were very attached to, someone they felt committed to, felt this was like going to last forever. And now this person is feeling very, very burdened by this thought that, this other person is maybe releasing them or not paying that much attention and not, This is somebody from your past that you've known, and it's just making you keep thinking about the past, about the sweet memories maybe you people shared between the two of you. This could be a past lover, could be a sibling, could be a friend, and you just keep thinking about what you had in the past and how you feel that it's all being finished, or this person seems to be releasing you, and that's burdening you a lot. You really wanted to be maybe in control of this, and you wanted stability with this person, because I do have the Hierophant here as well. And right now you seem very, very stressed out, but this is all self-inflicted stress. You just keep thinking in your mind as to what's happening, and maybe this is not going my way. You see this person as your wish fulfillment, okay? You see them as this person, whoever you feel is letting you go, makes you feel very, very happy. And you also see them as letting go of whatever heartbreak. Maybe something happened in the past which was not authentic, something was not right, and this person kind of just released you and moved on. Now you're feeling very stressed out, and you're keeping a close watch on this person. You're still spying on this person. You're still wanting to appear as the King of Pentacles and take charge. But heart of hearts, you know that this is over. This is over, and you're feeling pretty abandoned. You're feeling left out in the cold. You're feeling as if somebody left you and is not as warm and loving as maybe they were, or passionate as they were earlier. And you see that this person really doesn't want to have anything new to do with you. There's no fresh beginning here, but you're keeping a close watch on this person. Okay, you're still kind of watching them or spying on them or seeing their social media or asking friends and family about them, because heart of hearts, you know that you had a lot of emotional stability with this person, but you see them as maybe having released you now. Let's see this person, Gemini. Who's this person? Person 2. Four of Pentacles. Yes, this person has pulled back their energy and they are no longer kind of giving of themselves, of their maybe money, their love, and maybe some conversation has also taken place. Some conversation has taken place between the two of you where something was said which did not make them feel very happy or victorious. And now they've kind of pulled back their energy. They're no longer fighting for this, Gemini. I don't know, Gemini, if this is you or this is you, but person B is kind of now letting this go. They're no longer fighting for this connection anymore, because whatever news came to them, they felt really bad. And the tower, according to them, it just came crashing down, and they are not doing anything to stop it from coming down. They've taken back their control, their energy. They're not sharing or caring anymore. They felt whatever offer that came to them was did not have any basis, or it wasn't authentic. It was wishful thinking basically, and they have realized that okay, now I take back my control, take back my power. Exactly what person A is feeling. Yeah, see, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. They're feeling that this person B has released them. And this person here, person B, has the same card saying, hey, I'm not going to give any more of my thing, because what I've got to know hasn't worked for me, and I'm no longer going to share of my love and affection anymore. Because maybe there was too much confusion in this relationship. Maybe there were many options, and maybe there was just confusion. And yes, maybe there were more players in the mix, and this person didn't want to play with all these people and just dropped it and said, I'm not going to fight for this anymore. And that's it. 9 of Wands. Yeah, here they are. Now they've gone into defense mode. Okay, now they're trying to protect their energy and say, hey, I no longer want to fight or play this game anymore. And because there has been no, this person has basically taken a judgment call, made a judgment call to say, I'm no longer investing in this dynamic anymore. I have done enough, and now I have realized that this was not the best place for me to be in, and whatever swords, whatever betrayal this person B has felt, they are now releasing that. Okay, they're removing their swords from their back and not giving of themselves anymore, because there was a lot of heartbreak. Okay, these 10 swords were real for person B. They felt this betrayal. They felt these swords one by one pierce when they got to know this news of whatever was wrong in this relationship, okay? Whatever happened between the two of you, whatever betrayal. Now, this could be a love interest, Gemini, could be anyone. Like I keep saying, these are not specific love readings. No, I have just uploaded your love reading. I'll leave a link at the end of this video. But this reading is for anyone in your life, okay? So you decide what and who this is. But this person, whoever this person is now, has felt very betrayed by person 1, has pulled back after this huge heartbreak that they've suffered. They've really suffered, okay? They've really suffered, and after deep contemplation, they have realized that I'm no longer playing this game anymore, and I no longer want to invest my time and energy. And person 1 knows that. They're trying to pretend that they are still in control, but they're still watching and waiting, because when person B and person A were together, person A was very happy. And now they're feeling that loss. They're feeling abandoned. They're feeling that, things are not the same anymore. Yeah, person B is not talking that much anymore. They have used their intuition. They have, maybe used their spirituality or whatever this person has done. They've they have come to that knowledge now. They have that knowledge, inner knowing, inner knowledge that yes, this the person A was not doing right by them. Okay, this is a King of Wands in reverse, not the most trustworthy person in the world. So, one card for the Three of Swords. What was this betrayal spirit? One of yeah, there was a choice that had to be made, I think, which wasn't. So there was some choice which maybe person A was meant to make, and that choice was not made, or it was made which was unjust. So after this choice happened, and after this person got the news of this person B just kind of removed their energy. Let's see what's in your mutual energy, Gemini. Both of you feeling abandoned now. Both of you feeling abandoned. Both of you feeling the lack of the warmth maybe that you once had between the two of you. Both feeling left out in the cold. Both are feeling it. This is a mutual energy, right? So anything, Spirit, for... Yeah, because secrets came out. A lot of secrets came out regarding this relationship or partnership or business or whatever this was. A lot of secrets came out, and because of that, person B, when person B got to know it, they left. They kind of pulled back their energy. Ace of Pentacles, center of the spread, new beginning, stable new beginning coming for both of you. Now let's see, is that together or separately? Oops. No, I think it's going to be separately, Gemini, because the love, that trust that was there is lost now. Okay? So if you were hoping for a new beginning with this person, I don't think so, because this person has... somebody didn't put in the work here. Okay? When it was time to put in the work, somebody didn't put in the work, and that love that was there is now lost. One more card, Spirit, for the Ace of Pentacles. Yes, there has been no clear-cut communication regarding this, about having a new beginning, and because nothing was made clear, this love slowly, I think, finished off. And we did have the Devil in reverse as our overall energy, which was releasing anything toxic. Something that probably made you both very happy at one point, because I do have the Sun card here. So this did make you very happy at one point, but now I think because of whatever secrets have come out, both have kind of released, or one person has and the other has no choice but to accept it. Star, wish fulfillment, both praying and wishing. And what is the Star, Spirit, and their mutual energy? You both did make each other very happy. You both really saw each other as wish fulfillment. I think July, I think somebody may come back, Gemini. Somebody may come back, but is still finding the strength to do it. Even knowing that this is the person I'm meant to be with. Too much has happened in the past, Gemini. Too much has happened in the past where one person probably played the other person, and the other person got this very unfortunate message. And even though both know that you are each other's equal counterpart or equal partners, or make each other happy and should have worked together, I don't see it happening. One more card, Spirit, for the Star. Yeah, this is too stressful. Both are in your own mind-made stressed place right now. Because yes, heart of hearts, you both know that this should have been. Anyway, let's see how person 1 really feels regarding person 2. How does person 1 feel regarding person 2? Yeah, see, one person does feel that the other person was a player and maybe had third parties. See, 3 of Pentacles in reverse, Knight of Wands in reverse. So one person feels that the other person was a player and maybe they had too many options and there were third parties involved, and maybe that's the news that they got, and that is what led to this conflict. And one person decided, I'm not going to be one of these options and I'm going to withdraw. But let's see how the other person feels now. The other person, how does that person feel? Yeah, three of cups again. Third parties, or does this person want a reconciliation? Yes, I think the other person also realizes that this is the reason, and they're looking at all that was put into this relationship, the investment that was put into this relationship, and why it broke down, okay? And now very, very stressed about it and not knowing how to move forward again, because I think one person realizes that what was the reason, why this person is no longer investing into this dynamic anymore. So let's have another advice card for Gemini. Spirit, what is the advice? What is the advice we have for Gemini here? Advice for Gemini. One more card, Spirit. Spirit says, Gemini, if you will withhold your basically there's no going back from this. There's no going back. We have the Empress and the Queen of Swords, okay? So the Empress is in reverse. So if anyone was juggling with two people here, or there was any kind of options here, if somebody was being emotionally manipulative and playing people, there is, it's not, you're still in troubled waters. It's not going to be healed till you can be clear about what you want. And yes, Heart of Hearts, this is what you want. Ten of Pentacles, right? The only way you can have it is if you put it out there and make a choice. You are still juggling. You're still juggling somewhere, or this other person is. And without, with these too many characters here, things are still in troubled waters. Let's see what the angels can bless us with. What can the angels bless Gemini with? What can the angels please bless us with for Gemini? Yes, perfect, perfect. One more, please. Okay. Whatever you're doing, Gemini, or the person Gemini is dealing with, is not the healthiest place to be, okay? This is not a very healthy place to be in, and Spirit says you have to move away from whatever unhealthy dynamic is going on here. You have to bring healing to the situation. This is not the best place for you to be in, because it's not just affecting the other people who are stuck in this situation with you, but it's also affecting you. And it's going to affect your health, and it's not going to help you move on in life. So please be authentic, please make healthy choices, and bring healing to the situation now. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. Do subscribe, meet me next week, and we'll see what's happening. Okay? Love and light.